Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how to do this paint by line paint kit. This is the Frosty, Santa, and Rudolph truck. I'm going to go in first with the red that's provided, and I'm going to paint Frosty's scarf, the ribbon on his hat, Santa's hat, his top, and also Rudolph's hat and nose. Then I just went in with a little bit of the white, and I filled in a few of those spots as well, like the beard and the fur on Santa's hat. I then went in with the tan, and I painted his face. And I also went in and painted the truck white, and I'm going in now with a light blue to paint Santa's glasses and also the back glass. I'm going in now with a little bit of chocolate brown for Rudolph, and then black for the bumper and the tires. And I'm using the largest brush for this step. I'm going to wipe off most paint and then just paint some horizontal lines onto my cutout here. And as you can see, they're kind of just like distressed lines. I'm not doing them like solid lines. I want a kind of distressed buffalo plaid. And then I like to just go over the joints where they meet and darken that up a little bit. After everything's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and begin to outline everything. Then I went in with a little bit of the white, and I highlighted a little squiggle on my back glass and highlighted everything here and there on my little guys that are in the back of the truck, just to brighten everything up and smooth out my lines. And after that, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.